Hi guys, hi everybody who's watching this video right now. My name is Team Wider, and today I want to share with you really incredible and useful information which one can help you to make money online for sure. And also guys, this website, which one is called All-in-One Profits, can help to grow any business from the bottom to the top. And if you are that person who joined some business opportunity and you're searching for the way how to grow the business from the bottom to the top, you spending a lot of the time on the Facebook, you're sharing the information about the business, about the opportunity, about your products, about that what you're doing, you're trying to help to the people but still without the money. So you must to get the system which call it All-in-One Profits, because these business tools can save a lot of the time. And guys, before we start, I want to tell you a few words about me, why I joined the All-in-One Profits, because I use it all the time, and I just tell to the people and share to the people that kind of the websites which I use it by myself. And why I joined All-in-One Profits? Because first of all, as I said, it saved a lot of my time. And right now I don't need to spend like 7 or 8 hours in the front of my computer to tell the people and explain them information over and over again about that what I'm doing. And when I just start to work in the BAPIC company, it's that what I'm doing right now. I understand that what I must to explain the people the same information about the how to make the registration, what exactly we're doing, what kind of the products we have, how to start to make money here. And all of this is really complicated because you never know who is the behind the screen, and you spend a lot of your time, you spend a lot of your energy just to explain the person what you're doing. You explain him how to make money online, you explain him the real legit way how to grow. And the person, he understand after the 2 hours that he is lazy and he don't want to do nothing. And this is 95% of the people like this, because you never know who is behind the screen. Maybe this is the dedicated person who wants to get the money, who ready to work hard, and he will go with you. But this is just the small percent. In the 95%, it's just the kids who's playing, it's just the people who's lazy, they searching for the easy ways, it's just the some kind of the people who didn't know even what they want. You know, that's why guys, you must use All-in-One Profits. If you want your business grow, you must use this system, because it saves a lot of your time. You don't need to spend a lot of the hours in the front of your computer. That's why I'm using this. So let's start. I want to show you from inside what is this, what is the All-in-One Profits, why I joined this. This is my account, guys. I used the basic account. I paid for this $11.50, but for all of these guys, all of these tools, it's really nothing. It's really nothing, because I will show you right now what I have for this money. I have the autoresponder, guys. I have the splash builder. I have the tracker. I have rotator and the other products like hosting or something like this. And today guys, I want to speak with you about the autoresponder and also what kind of the capture pages you can make just by using this system. And for example guys, this capture page I make for my project, which call it Elevated Power. You could see really beautiful, yeah? And I can teach you how to make the same capture pages. And also these capture pages, when the people they provide the name and Gmail address here, click on the button join for free right now, they will start to receive the mails from me, from the my autoresponder. And you could make absolutely the same. So I will click the button autoresponder right now, and I will show you from inside how all of this is working. Because guys, as I said, the autoresponder can save a lot of the time. And after that, when somebody will provide the name and Gmail address in your capture page, so he will start to receive the messages from you, the letters from your autoresponder. And from here guys, all of the magic is going. You don't need to spend a lot of the time to explain the same information. So first of all, when you'll make the registration, you will don't have here any campaigns. So you just create, like for example, here's will be the number, the test name, I'll make something like this, and the mail address. Any mail address, yeah, you can see right now. And click on the button submit, waiting for the few seconds, and boom guys, it's ready. It's 25. You can see right now the test campaign, but we will choose right now not this one, we'll choose another. How to choose the campaign? You click on the button go. I will choose my Elevated Power, yeah, you can see here. And after that you click on the button autoresponder and edit autoresponder. So right now we're inside our campaign, we're inside our autoresponder, and with you together guys, right now I will show you in the real time how to create the letter. I already have the text, I prepared it already for you. So just I will get it from here and we'll paste it. we have the two editors. I like this one better because it's more comfortable to use. Just will paste it here and it will make with you this letter for my prospects. Guys, right now I'm working with the project which called Elevated Power. Everybody can join, everybody can check this. What we're doing already here is like elevate yourself, elevate your body, your mind, your pocket, everything here about the changes. The people can start to make the money, the people can start to get the good body, all of this. Yeah, you can check it, all of this. I will put the link in the description. So right now it's not about this, right now is how to create the letter. So just I will change the size, yeah, something like this, and I will change the text, the font. So guys, here first of all you must provide the name of your prospect. It will be here like hello John, because we have here all of the tools how to speak with your prospects. So here you just provide if his name will be John, for example, it will be John. If it will be Mary or maybe Susan or another name, will be another name. Because after that, when your people will provide the name here, so the name will be in your prospects. So you just, after that, when you'll provide the name, so here will be that name which the people provided. So hello name, hello first name, for example, John, or I don't know what the name will be here. And every time, guys, check the size and everything, the font, because everything should be beautiful. If the letter is not beautiful, so the people, they start to be skeptical, what is all of this? So you must make everything really beautiful. So just check this out. You know, this is the letter about the business, what I'm doing, about the changes. Just check this out. Yeah, incredible result. And I will paste my videos here, guys. How to paste the video, how to paste the link, you must click this one, insert the link, click on the button on the URL, paste, click open in the new window if you want to open in new window, and click some title, result, yeah, insert. You can see right now the link is active. So, and of course we must make this beautiful. So here we change it, the color of the text. Go on here. Here we can change it. For example, it will be green. I like to make the green color. And also the thickness. We'll make the bold. Yeah, something like this. Here is the talk soon. Also, just I will make right now everything and I will continue to explain.
No tomorrow. Under the Florida sunset we danced, and it was only you and I. Only you and I. So take me back to South Beach. We were young and stupid, and that was all that we had. Take me back to then. Under the palm tree, it was only you and me, getting drunk on Hennessy. Take me back to then. To those hot Miami nights.
So guys, you see right now that our mail is created, our mail is ready, and right now we just need to test it We need to test it, so I click the button here that is not active right now, is disabled, and click on the button update. But before, we don't forget to click here the after how many days it will go. So it will go after the 4 days. After the 4 days, when the person he made the registration to the our capture page, and click on the button add message here. Waiting for the few seconds. Yeah, and this ready, but this is stop right now, and right now we just must to test it how this will work. So we go into the autoresponder, click the test autoresponder, and send this message to our mailbox to watch how it look like inside the mailbox. So we choose the letter and click on the button send test message. Waiting for the few seconds, go to our mailbox and check all of this. So right now, guys, we see that we received the message from our test autoresponder. So we go inside and take a look how it's look like from the inside. Yeah, everything is perfect. So we see right now, guys, that everything is look great. So we come back to our autoresponder, go into the edit autoresponder, and we need to activate this letter right now. So click this letter, select message, and we need to enable right now. Yeah, you could see we take it off this mark from here and click on the button update message. Yep, everything is ready, guys. Everything is ready. You could see right now is working, and the next message was created. So my friends, you see right now that everything is working great and perfect, and you don't need to spend a lot of your time to just speak with the people over and over again, explain them the information. All of this can make the all-in-one profits for you. The autoresponder, we have a lot of the business tools, and I will make the special tutorial for all of my partners, all of my subscribers, so you will see, guys, how all of this system works. It's really incredible because, like I said, right now you can save a lot of your time, and you can speak only after that when the people will be really interested in your business. He know everything about your business, he know how to make registration, he registered already, and he already have all of your course, all of your tutorial, and after that you can start to speak with them. You can start to speak with them, help him with everything, but it will be targeting audience. It will be really quality person. Before all of this, guys, my advice, don't spend your time for nothing, because you never know who behind the screen, and you will spend the 95% of your time just for the nothing. Use the business tools, use the incredible system which can help you to grow your business, and everything will be great. Don't forget to ask the question if you didn't understand something. Don't forget to put likes, don't forget to paste the comments. Of course, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't subscribe yet. And of course, guys, be succeed in this life and be that person what you want to be. These business tools can help you to grow. It was Team Wider. I will see you soon in the tutorial. Thanks for watching.
And when you hear the sound of the drum, we'll be saying, here we come.